So I'd like to take a bit of time to showcase some of the design reasoning and features of my latest design, 41 degrees. It started out as a typical 1940s era near beach home, which just happened to have great ocean views of Harrow Strait, San Juan Island, and Mount Baker. I'll zoom in a bit here to show the limitations of the third story design. First came the typical method of stories stacked square in each other. This presented a few problems: narrow deck, struggling views, and boring design. So after a bunch of late nights, I settled on a 41-degree skew to the east and west walls, allowing for a bigger deck, better views, and best of all, a really cool design. So as with all new additions or new homes, the pesky municipal planning rules always get in the way. So in this house, it meant bumping into the rear yard setback and the height limit. So after those were figured out, we had to come up with a window design to take advantage of the morning, the afternoon, and the evening sun. So large windows for a view in morning sun, large windows for the afternoon sun, and smaller windows on the west side for the evening sun. The third story living area was designed to be wide open for entertaining. It includes the kitchen, the dining, and the living rooms all together in one open room. The existing second story received a complete seismic retrofit and makeover to house 3 bedrooms, a den with a wood stove, and a laundry room. My design criteria always includes a bathroom for every bedroom. There are lots of elements of the 41-degree angle present in the second story. The angled walls you see are all engineered seismic shear walls. Every bedroom has an ocean view and double French doors to the east side deck. Here I am tracing over and highlighting the engineer's required new footings, foundations, posts, and shear walls on the basement level. I am now tracing the third level support structure with the dotted lines representing the LVL lateral ties. Here's an illustrated view of the existing basement slab being broken up in order to facilitate the new footings and foundations, including the tie-ins to the existing foundation walls. This is a footing for a shear wall, including the foundation wall and the finished shear wall. Construction photos showing the framing on the third level. Notice the beautiful scenery and the deer. One of my signature touches, designing and building a single stringer metal staircase with reclaimed treads. More build photos. You gotta love Victoria in November. Needless to say, I hate glass sliding doors. Lots of light, but you can only ever use 50% of the opening. Here's my custom designed 3-leaf accordion door system. Here's the story behind the countertops in the house. The huge maple tree in the front yard had a rotted base and needed felled. So I had it sliced up into 2-inch slabs on a portable sawmill and used the wood for all the bathroom counters and the kitchen peninsula cooktop countertop. It was carefully dried for 1 year, then planed, sanded, and epoxy coated to create these. Kitchen design goes to a whole new level with a 312 sloped cedar ceiling. My goal here was to complement this geometric shape with sparse wall cabinetry.